Today I had the opportunity to work on an iPad 8. This iPad was special to me because it was more than just an iPad. It was a communication device for a special needs person. So when somebody comes in to me and says, I'm not sure if this can be fixed or how long will it take, to me it's a little bit more on a personal level. When somebody comes in and says, I have an important Zoom meeting, or you don't know how fast I need this back, that can wait. When somebody can't communicate because this is their only means of communicating, that's more important to me. So all of those can wait, and I really appreciated getting to work on this today. It's more, again, about swapping the home button, but then finishing up with the digitizer as well, the screen replacement. So anyway, I hope you enjoy the video, and I hope you learned something from it. Thanks for watching. iPad 8 home button removal, same as the 7, same as a lot of them, but I'm not really using any type of metal razor blades or anything to take this off. I am using heat and see if I get under here, a plastic spudger. Okay, that side's off. And it looks like the other side's already loose here too, so get right underneath there. I didn't get the adhesive with it, did I? I wanted to come underneath the adhesive. I think there's enough on there. Okay, come with me. I'll put you here. Now, the home button, you want to get underneath the ring, not just the home button itself, like this rubber part here. You get underneath. You get a little of glove action here. Keep my fingers from getting too hot. And blocking this view shot here. Kind of doing this at a different angle than I normally would to get the shot, but it's gonna work. So going underneath the ring. So I'm not using any alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, to get this up right now. The heat is enough, and I'm gonna just kind of wiggle it back and forth. And what you should have when you're done and you take this off is, well, obviously a home button, but the home button ring with, you see that factory adhesive there. I'm going to keep that hot, and I'm going to put it on the new screen. Off of the new screen, the way the little pieces of plastic that kind of protect the digitizer connector, little piece of plastic here on the other side. So I've got, the only thing that's left is the screen protector that's on the inside, the screen protector that's on the outside, with the exception of this little square piece I cut out on the outside. I'm going to remove this. I don't need it because we are going to use the factory one, right? Get all that good old factory, not good. Get that good old factory adhesive. That's gonna go in there. And And I will remove, let me move this tape out of the way. Just the, go there, that out of the way. It's right on the edge. There we go. All right, we'll bring in the home button bracket. Right about there. And the phone's ringing.
Killed him.
Yeah.
Because the dog had arthritis and joint issues, and I gave him, different things for that, so he started running
Yeah.
and jumping. He had a heart attack. He
Watch.
lost 50 pounds, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
He got his IBS corrected.
Turn it up. Video. Your turn.